Hello everyone. This is our DSA project titled CargoNet, Port Warehouse and Cargo Handling System implemented using Java. So basically this project simulates the working of a cargo logistic hub where shipment containers, warehouse storage, log scheduling and crane operation are managed efficiently using different data structures. The system is implemented as a prompt-based console application and demonstrates the use of several DSA concepts such as stacks, queue, circular queue, priority queue, linked lists, hash maps, and arrays. So this is our folder structure where you can see that this is our main folder CargoNet projects. So here the project is divided into four main packages. First is modules, first is data structures, second is models, third is modules, fourth is utils. So basically the data structures contain implementation of stack, queue, circular queue and priority queue. The models contains customer management. The models contains classes like container, shipment, warehouse, etc. And modules contains three modules, that is customer manager and employee modules. So basically here the modules act as an actor of this project, where three characters are there. First character is customer, which will play the role of booking and shipment. Second character is employee, which will have the operations of the this cargo projects, this cargo thing. And the third character is manager, which will manage the official things, which is this. So basically, so right now we'll run the program. So I'll demonstrate how the system works. So as you can see the output saying welcome to the CargoNet system. So here are three choices assigned to us. First is customer module, second is manager module, third is employee module, and fourth is exit button. So let's choose customer module. So this module it will allow the users to manage the shipments. So as you can see there are three things: book shipment, track shipment, view shipment history. So let's book a shipment. So let's keep the choice as one, book shipment. So the shipment ID is S1. It's asking for customer name. The customer name, let's give Rahul. It's asking for origin, let's give Mumbai. It's asking for destination, where the this shipment will go. It's in Dubai. As you can see, the result showing shipment booked successfully. So the shipment information is stored in the hash map, which allows fast lookup using the shipment ID. We can find it using the shipment ID. So let's add one more shipment. Choice is one, shipment ID is 2. Let's give the name as Mehul, MEHUL. Nehal, sorry, NEHAL. So it's asking for origin. Let's give us Goa. Destination it's asking. Let's give it Russia. So as you can see, the shipment is booked successfully. Now this is also got stored in the hash map. So if you want to view this shipments and all, and if you want to view and track the shipment, we can use the second choice, track shipment. We can also monitor this shipment through the shipment ID. So as we remember, the first shipment was S1. So here the shipment details came S1, customer name equals to Rahul, route is Mumbai to Dubai, status shipment by the customer. So let's check the second shipment. Let's check the second shipment. So choice equals to 2, choice 2, shipment ID is 2. So here came customer name Nehal, shipment ID is 2, route Goa to Russia, status shipment booked by the customer. So this system shipment history is stored using a linked list, which records every update related to the shipment. And hence the fifth module is manager module. Let's view the shipment history. Shipment ID S1. As you can see, the shipment history when it was booked, which time and it was booked, which date it was booked, it is given over here. 16 March 2026, 8:07 a.m. Shipment booked by the customer. Similarly, let's check shipment 2 where it was booked. As you can see, this is also same time given because recently only we booked it. So let's go back from this customer module. So enter choice 4. So we are back again to the CargoNet system main part. Let's go to the manager module. So this manager module handles the warehouse storage, custom clearance and cargo prioritization. So let's say the warehouse storage is the first one is option is view warehouse layout. Okay, view warehouse layout. So let's do choice 1. So here the warehouse storage is implemented using array where each slot represents a storage location for containers. Okay, as you can see here, different slot is given for each container to where it is kept, where is not. So if it might be there in that slot, the storage is there, then warehouse slot 0 equals to show that it is full, it is there. So we have to store the container. So let's store the container. Choice 2. Shipment ID S1. Container ID, let's give it C1. Cargo name electronics. Is that perishable? False. Is that high value? True. So here result came container stored successfully. As you can see over here. Let's store another container that was we booked that second shipment, right? So again we'll store one container. First we'll view this container in the warehouse. So first choice 1. See, this slot 1 came. As you can see here, slot 0, customer ID 1, C1, shipment ID S1, cargo electronics, priority equals to 4, custom spending. As you can see over here. So custom clearance is not given yet. Let's store one more container. Let's enter shipment ID S2, container ID C2. Let's keep the cargo name as a luxury bike. Is that perishable? False. Is that high value? True. So this also got stored successfully. You can see now we have to, as you can see, we'll again view this. You can see that here the customs was pending, so we have to clear the customs right now. So as you can see, customs clearance third is there, container ID C1. Customs cleared successfully. Now we have to now we'll view the warehouse layout. As you can see, customs for the shipment 1, custom is clear, and for the shipment 2, custom is pending. If in the case there is something different thing, illegal things being transported, so the custom can schedule it for pending, and the legal things which is everything clear and all according to the government terms, those are cleared. We can clear it through the software. Let's go down. We have to add this. Suppose we have to add a container to the priority queue. So let's do this. Let's add this in priority, any one shipment. So we'll add container ID second, C2. So the container C2 inserted into priority cargo. So this container C2 is been prioritized over C1, container 1, because there might be some person who have given extra money for the fast delivery. So according to the priority, container C2 will be kept above for the faster delivery. So if we want to process the cargo, that prioritized cargo, then we'll go for 5. So here the result is priority cargo process, shipment S2, cargo luxury bike, priority 4, customer spending, still custom pending. So uh, let's view the system report. So basically, uh, the system report will say shipment sorted by the arrival, shipment is sorted by the departure, average turnout time, warehouse utilization back. Let's go back from here. Now we'll go to the sorry. We'll go into second module, other module. We'll go to the employee module. So this employee module manages operational tasks such as container stacking, task scheduling, crane assignment. These are all the tasks of the employee module. So basically, what's the job of the employee? To manage these all things. So customer is job is for booking, shipment, and viewing or tracking that shipment. The manager module is for doing the official task, like for example, depending which is to be prioritized, then doing something which needs a custom clearance and all. So the third module is employee module, which will maintain all the operations, major operations. So we'll first stack the container. So container ID, let's give C1, that is electronics one. So this container stacking is implemented using stack data structure, where the last container added is the remote first, which means LIFO policy, last in first out. So as you can see, we added container C1, that is stacked successfully. Let's add the second container C2. Choice 1, container ID C2. This is also stacked successfully. Okay, so if you want to see the stack, container stack, how it is kept on the shipment. So as you can see, this is kept one above other. So shipment 1, electronics pending, the luxury bike is kept over there. So if we want to if we want to unstack the container C2, then we can do also that. Like if you want to remove also that, then container C2 removed from the stack. So now we will view that container stack. See, there is only one container in the stack, that is C1, that electronics one. Now if we want to undo that, suppose our mood change, we have to again stack it for that thing. So we'll do the undo operation. So see, undo successful container C2. Now we'll again view that thing. See, again it came back. So this is very important feature, which is happens in many times. Some things can depend upon the user's need or the management needs, or how it is, which can be scheduled for delivery, which cannot be. So now we have to add the shipment to the dock, so where it needs to be shipped. So let's do that shipment. So shipment ID, since the shipment ID S1 is custom cleared and it is ready to be docked. So let's do this. So shipment S1 is added to the dock queue, and if you want to process this dock queue, go for this. So basically in this dock queue, the dock scheduling is implemented using queue, which follows the FIFO principle, that is first in first out. मतलब जिसको पहले डाला जाएगा वो पहले निकलेगा. So meaning the first shipment added to will be the processed first. So as you can see, shipment S1 processed at the dock and departed, मतलब निकल चुका है, means it has been released. Let's view the dock queue. Dock queue is empty as it is already departed. Now we can assign the crane also. was sorry, the crane will be assigned for which task? Take shipment to take container, uh, electronics container 3 to the port cargo ship. Second, so its task is assigned that train 1 is assigned to the task take container 3 from cargo ship 2, or the these all things. So we can view the next screen also. As you can see, the next screen in rotation is crane 2. Let's say this, do the operations of take all the containers of dockyard. Second, dockyard second to the port 1. Wait. Again, there is some. We'll again run the program. There is a minor glitch. Let's go employee module. Let's go view next screen. Let's give it as 8. Take container 4. As you can see, it will take container 4. So this is our project. Let's go back our main menu. So this is our project. So the conclusion is this CargoNet system demonstrates the practical application of several data structures including stack, queue, priority queue, linked list, hash map, and arrays in a logistic management scenario. So this project helped us to understand how data structures can be used to build efficient and modular systems in a real world applications. Thank you.